Okay, today's topic is let's do something. And our end in mind is to summarize a story or the story using a sequence graphic organizer. We are going to continue talking about the speak outs. What is a speak out? And the story of Save the Colony. We're going to try to complete it. But first of all, we're going to enter into context. I'm going to show you 4 pictures. Two are two pictures that we already saw in the past weeks, and 2 are new pictures from speak outs of this year. I need you to watch them carefully, and I'm going to need your opinion about them. I'm going to need you to describe it or to describe those pictures, the new ones, using just one word. And we're going to make a brainstorming of that. How would you describe them using just one word? So as we remember now the speak outs, we're going to continue checking now the speak out that we have in our awesome reader. Can you go please to your learning log on page 36, please? Learning log page 36 and the exercise 1. And at the same time, I need you to go to your awesome reader. Remember we were checking this reading. I need you to go to your awesome reader, page 108. We're going to work in both, using both books. The learning log on page 36 and the awesome reader on page 108, please. In this activity, we're going to try to make a summary of the story. What happened page by page, okay? And we're going to do it by answering some questions. I already have the questions here from 2 to 6. And I already write the answer, the pages where you can find the answers. Using this activity in the number 1, using those questions, we already make a summary of the story. It's a very brief summary, but it has the most important parts of them. We're going to imagine that Teotihuacan is going to be demolished, okay? Imagine that all Teotihuacan is going to be demolished. They're going to create a factory there, a furniture factory. I'm going to split you in 4 different teams, and I'm going to give you 4 minutes, okay? What you're going to do in those 4 minutes, and you're going to make a resolution of what would you do to save Teotihuacan, okay? You're going to have 4 minutes to speak with your partners and to write here in the activity number 3 on page 37. Let me put it a little bit smaller. In this part, you're going to write a resolution. What would you do to save Teotihuacan? You make good decisions, excellent, nice work. I'm just going to show you the available activity, okay? The available activity is going to be the page number 37, the activity number 2. This activity is going to be called Save the Colonial. And you're going to make a summary of the story Save the Colonial in these 3 charts. So these 3 charts that you have here. In the number 1, you're going to write the protagonist of the story, the characters that participate here. In the number 2, where does the story take place? In what place they make the speak out? And the number 3, the main conflict. What was happening in the story? I need you to complete the chart and upload it in the available activity, Save the Colonial, that you have already here in your platform, okay? So that is going to be all for today. Thank you for being here. The class is over. I'm gonna activate the microphone so you can say bye-bye.